Hi, it's Amy with WTI. Gain some peace of mind with this BLUETTI AC180 power bank. This thing is a beast with its must-have 200-watt solar panel companion. Nowadays, we need to have power, so if there's ever an outage or I'm somewhere where there's no power, like camping or poolside, this is great to have. The superior battery pack is one of many reasons I chose to go with this brand. It's going to last a lot longer than your average lithium power banks out there. There's a BLUETTI app that shows me the percentage of power that's left or how much is being charged from the solar panels. Pretty cool. I like how it can be charged up multiple ways, such as a wall socket, a carport, but my absolute favorite way is by solar panel. I mean, come on, the sun doesn't charge me to harness its energy. You'll want to take note that the solar panel is shipped separately, so don't worry if it hasn't come in yet. It's going to come shortly after the power bank. Now the question is, what can this thing power? Well, I have powered big, heavy drawing things like my hair dryer, my space heater, and I even ran my air conditioner and blender at the same time. It also powered our sub pump when we lost power during a heavy rainstorm. It really saved our basement from flooding. Be prepared for an emergency, but also take this on your life's adventures. I highly recommend this BLUETTI AC180 and its 200-watt solar panel. And that's my point of view.